One of my favorite features of Scrivener is the ability to go into full screen mode, or I call it distraction free mode, because sometimes you may not want all of this distraction around you. You just really want to concentrate on the actual process of writing. You actually want to just give yourself over to simply writing without all of this all of these buttons and bells and whistles. Now, to do that in Scrivener is really easy. You just click this button here and it takes you into full screen mode. Now, full screen mode just blurs out everything else, and you can change the background fade to whatever you want, so you can literally just make everything else disappear, or if you prefer, you can have it just showing your desktop showing through just a little. You can change paper width here. You can center, left, right your paper. I generally work with it in the center. One of the most useful things is the ability to scale your text, so you can actually make your text bigger or smaller. Now, this is not actually changing the font size, it's just changing the way that you're viewing things, so you can make it much more comfortable for you as you write or as you read. Sometimes I use this when I'm doing a basic proofread through something that I've written, for example. You can also bring up your keywords if you're working with keywords. You can work with your inspector. So if I click the inspector button, I can go through the various things in my inspector: footnotes, notes, synopsis, my labels, etc. And you can change those up as well. And then if you want to go to a different document, you don't actually have to come out of full screen mode to go there. You can just click on here, go to, and then go to your draft and choose whichever one you want to work on. So yeah, there you go. That's full screen mode. We'll look at a couple of other cool things concerning this in the next couple of videos, but I recommend that you give it a go and yeah, enjoy using it. Thanks.